So how is it, babe?
It's nice. Please, back now.
Ah,
Let's take a picture now. Want to take a picture of me?
sure.
Is this mirror where you can take a video?
So you don't want to go get food?
What?
You don't want to go get something to eat, Mrs. Allen?
But this is the start of the show. So show them you know,
Me?
and all you show them is me.
They're not going to see me. I look like a
Like a what?
cha-cha boy.
No, I did not marry him, touch a boy. It's kind of dark.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So we just wanted to give you a drop of Jesus, right, before we get any further in this video. So Kara is about to take it away, right?
This verse is from Proverbs 24, verse 16. For a righteous man may fall 7 times and rise again, but the wicked shall fall by calamity.
Wow. That's a deep
A deep one.
yeah. The righteous man may fall and rise again.
But the wicked shall fall by calamity.
Yeah, calamity would mean like disaster.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if you are working on something in your life, you may fall and fall and fall. The key thing to notice there is that it states that the righteous will fall,
Mm-hmm.
right? So because you're righteous doesn't necessarily mean that you won't fail at things, you won't fall, you won't experience pain. But also another key aspect of it is that you rise again. So as long as you're persistent with your belief in God and continue to grow in Him, then you always rise at some point. But it doesn't mean that you're not going to go through the struggles. Alright? So
Yeah.
keep that in mind. Alright? So I hear a lot of people say, oh, I prosper because, I'm with God and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
And then they look down on others when they are in their situation and wonder, hey, I wonder what them do, why God punish them. But you have to understand that the righteous will also go through struggles, right? And wherever you are along your journey, that's just where God wants you to be, right?
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like,
The subscribe button.
make sure you hit the notification bell
And
so that
share.
so that you can be notified whenever we make videos just like this one. Alright, I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, we are at the Royals on Nigger, right? Check this out. Not you.
What is me?
Eh?
Seriously? What is me? Sorry, I need more comfortable shoes.
Mm.
Even though they still feel good. I want to stay just up. Seriously?
Want to stay just up? Okay. It's my wife and I.
We can't turn it off.
Ah, can I now?
Okay, what we saying now?
Yeah, so we're at Royals on Nigger for our honeymoon. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Go to the room already.
Just like my wife.
The show is nice. Did you go?
You sure?
The show over there.
Oh no. You want to, should we give him a tour?
Yeah.
You're giving the tour. So Carrie's gonna give you guys a tour. Alright. Wow. The show looks really nice though, babe. Huh. Wow. Guys, let me show you. Let me show you what's happening. So, talk to me today. What's up?
Is this on me?
Hmm?
Is this on me?
Yeah.
Like, why you like show me?
Because you're the beautiful one. This is like really beautiful, guys. So bed space, right? And they have a nice design above it. And I love the drop ceiling and the lights that are in it. Let's see what happens when we turn off the lights. Okay, that's not for that. Huh. It would have been nice to have some. You know what? I'm not a designer.
Exactly. Today, this is a time to relax.
Yeah. I'm not a designer today. So, ma'am,
Yes.
do you want to give us the tour?
Okay.
So your honeymoon tour.
So coming in, you know, the first thing I see is the pulp. And over here, so you have the pulp and fresh towels. I like this mirror.
Hold on. You were saying that on entering, that's what you're seeing with our tub and your towel. And the beautiful Carrie is actually, you know, looking at herself.
And you know, the
Yeah.
towels again, the Mr. and Mrs.
Yeah.
bathroom.
Nice.
Or sink, I guess.
And then the shower. Baby girl is going in the shower. Look at that.
And then over here, you got the bed and sitting area.
Nice.
You just feel much comfortable, much more comfortable.
Yeah. Give us a turn then. A twirl. So let's see what the
Oh, yes.
we got. We.
My husband got me an upgrade. The ocean view room.
Shouldn't that be
Feel
like?
like a... That's just a mirror light.
Mm,
Did he tell us? Is it these big things okay?
I doubt that.
What are those?
We're trying to open the screen, guys.
He just said AC and... I don't know where it's like. Okay.
I guess it's manual. Oh, here we go.
No.
Push.
Looking on my face.
let's.
There's nothing on there. There's a big old empty space. I'm
Hold
guessing
on.
it's the sea.
I guess it is to see.
Yeah, but you can't see right now. There's something here.
No.
Oh,
There we go.
are you ready?
Let's put it back. Yeah. Sorry, let me share that for you. So we this balcony, guys.
Pretty.
So you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Babe, we need to go get food.